Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice emoji. This is a love sign a guy is holding. So next we are going to draw the few outlines. You have seen that already we have drawn a bigger circle. Okay. So let's draw a eyebrow on the top. You can see this is a Nike shape, but it looks like a upside down. The Nike. Okay. Let's draw another line which is looks like this. And another line here which is also looks like this. You can see. Okay, another line here. So for the left side, let's draw the line here. Another line is going to be here to complete the whole left side. Okay, now we are going to draw the hand because it's holding the sign. All right, let's draw this one. Okay, and the partially visible the expressions of the face here. The eye inside the bigger one is going to be a circle like this. Okay, all right, so this is the basic drawing. You have seen the outline. Now we're going to put the colors. For the left side, we are going to put a red color here. Let's put the color now. When we put the color, we always try to make it as uniform as we can do. Okay, so this is almost complete. Just all the colors is almost done. So little bit white space is left here. All right, now the eyebrow on top, you can see this is we're going to fill up, make it a darker outline. All right, also we're going to fill up this part. This is the left eyebrow. Okay, now we're going to put the color for the whole surface which is inside the bigger circle. Let's put colors. It's like the bright green color you can see here from the drawing, and I'm putting all over the places. So the drawing is becoming a bright color. All right. Okay, so the drawing is almost complete. Now we're going to put some blue colors for the eyeball. So let's put a blue color here to make the drawing a realistic one. We're going to fill up the spaces inside. Okay. Awesome. So this looks nice. You can see the reflections of the light in the eyeball. That's unique and very good. All right, thank you so much. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. You can browse through the playlist and select different categories, and you can select your own choices. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. But okay, before closing, we are going to make these lines a little bold. All right. All right, thank you so much. So you can do the practice every day to make your drawing better and better. Have a good day.